correlation matrix is different than a regular correlation. It just does them all at the same time. That's the beauty about that. Now, correlations are easy. You would pick a cell, any cell, go to the function bar, make sure you're in statistical, and you scroll down to correl, and click OK. And so these arrays are columns. So I'm just going to we'll just do the first 5 here, and click the cursor in second array and do the first 5 here. And of course you get a simple correlation. But that's not what we're doing. We want the whole chimichanga. So we're going to go to, from home, we're going to go to the data tab, and we're going to go to data analysis. If you do not have that on your computer, this is how you add it in. You go to File, down to Options, you go to Add-ins. It should already be highlighted for you. Analysis Toolpak, very, very important. You're going to go to the bottom here and click Go. Do not click OK, click Go, Go, Go. Okay? Boom. So once you have it, this is how you use it. We want a correlation. And I'm not sure what the input range is. Let me just delete that. Delete these things. So my input range, I click my cursor in the input range, and I just want the variables. I don't want the employee number, but I can highlight with the labels in there. That's a pretty cool thing. And my output range, make sure your cursor's blinking in there. And I'm going to tell it where I want it to output to. I'll pick that cell right there. And bam-o, whammo. That is my correlation table. Let me move it so you can see it all. So job commitment correlates with job satisfaction. Job promotions, they are correlated negatively. So in other words, when job promotions go up, job satisfaction goes down. Interesting. The strongest correlation is between job promotions and job commitment. So what that tells me is the more promotions a person gets, the more committed to the job they're going to be. But that's it. This is how you do a correlation matrix in Excel. MGZ out.